Hi guys, I hope all of you are well. Welcome to Oliveboard. Oliveboard has come up with a series called Word of the Day and today is day 40 of the series. Now to make things interesting for you, I have edited out a few letters from the word so you can try to guess the word yourself. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, let us look at today's word. Today's word is antagonize. The meaning of the word antagonize is to anger someone enough to dislike or oppose you. So, when you anger someone to the extent that that person dislikes you or opposes you, means you antagonize that person. Now let us look at a sentence and try to understand this word better with the help of a sentence. The sentence that is given to us says the company does not want to antagonize one of its biggest oil suppliers. So, the company does not want to anger one of its biggest oil suppliers. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of this given word antagonize. The synonyms can be to anger, annoy, or aggravate. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be to pacify or to placate. Now guys, we'll use the language Hindi in order to understand this sentence better. So हम लोग हिंदी का इस्तेमाल करेंगे और जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ है हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that is given to us says the company does not want to antagonize one of its biggest oil suppliers. So sentence ये कह रहा है कि कंपनी अपने बिगेस्ट ऑयल सप्लायर को नाराज नहीं करना चाहती है. यहाँ पर antagonize का मतलब है नाराज करना. So guys, we have used both the languages English as well as Hindi to understand this word antagonize better. I hope you liked the video. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.